Hey, Ivy here. Feeling overwhelmed by clutter? You're not alone, and there's a fantastic solution at your fingertips. Use AI to create a simple plan for decluttering your home. Let's dive into how AI can make this process easier and more effective. First, AI tools can help you break down the decluttering process into manageable tasks. This means you can tackle one area at a time without feeling overwhelmed. Imagine starting with your wardrobe. AI can suggest which items to keep, donate, or recycle based on how often you wear them. It can even help you create a capsule wardrobe tailored to your style. Next, let's move to the kitchen. AI can assist in organizing your pantry by suggesting storage solutions and even meal planning based on what you have. This not only declutters, but also makes your cooking more efficient. Now, onto the garage. AI can help you categorize tools and equipment, making it easier to find what you need when you need it. By following AI's tailored suggestions, you can sort and organize each space effectively. Start small, and as you see progress, you'll feel motivated to continue. AI's guidance makes the process less daunting and more rewarding. Soon, you'll enjoy a tidier, more organized space. With AI's help, decluttering doesn't have to be a massive chore. It can transform your home into a peaceful, organized haven. Tune in tomorrow for another way AI can simplify your life. Until then, happy decluttering.